guys, today I'm going to do a baked buffalo drumstick, and what we're going to do is French the bones because we're going to do a lollipop style, so it's going to be a lollipop drumstick. And I want to show you how to French the bones, or take the meat and the skin off the bone side and how to lay it out. We cut down low right about here where that drumstick really starts to fatten. That's where you want to cut. And then you scrape up, cut the skin off of there. Now it's up to you to leave the skin on the other side or not. Usually the way it happens with me is by the time I'm done, there's no skin on the other side anyway. So, but I cut back and forth, just trying to make sure that I cut through as much as I can. And then once I'm sort of through, I'll go underneath and cut up, because sometimes you can't get everything you need. And then you scrape it, try to pull everything out that you can. And you're going to have these shim veins left on there, and if you do, just cut them out, because you really don't want that in your final product anyways. You know, so see, I got that, we're sort of there. Now what I do is I cut across lengthwise first. And then I begin to just push it out. You just hold down on it and pull it, and you sort of give up. You get there and you just cut that off, and that's sort of what you want. Now for me, I almost always just pull the skin off. Now what happens is, you get here, you have to make a decision. First of all, one of the decisions we're going to make is to take that little piece of fat out. But you have to make a decision, because you see, it's not going to stand up on its own. So what you have to do is take a knife and go into this bone. And try not to cut. You see, I might have cut it too much already. Try not to cut all the meat away, but you need that bone out of there. You cut around and leave the meat on. And that's it. As long as it can stand up when it cooks, I'm fine with that. I see some shin veins here, and I really don't like them, and so I don't like them. So I cut them out. The only thing that's important to me at this point is that this stands up when you cook it. I got one already did right here. Okay, I'm going to do a few more, and then we'll cook them up.